Hi, welcome back. This is Rakesh Naik. Today we are going to discuss about few more examples on Turing machine. But before we start, a small information I'd like to share. In this channel, we produce every video in 2 different languages. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, kindly follow the link given in the description. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get regular updates from this channel. So, let's start. In today's first example, we are going to design a Turing machine over input symbol 0 and 1 so that it will accept string of this format $W. So W is any string. After that, a dollar supposed to come and then the same string supposed to get repeated. The string like this. 10 is W, then came dollar, then again 10. So what we are going to do is, we'll start with any symbol, either it may be 0 or 1. We are going to replace it with a symbol that is blank. Then we'll start moving right irrespective of the symbol till the first symbol or first X appears. After we got this symbol, we'll move one step towards its right and check whether the symbol that we are getting right now, it is same as the symbol that we got in step 1. If they are not same, we are going to come to the reject state. And if they are same, again we'll start moving towards the left till the first blank appear. Then again we'll move one step towards its right, check the symbol and again repeat step 1 and step 2. And ultimately, when only dollar symbol will be left out, we'll be coming to accept and halt state. Now let us try to understand this with this example, what we are going to do. Let us say $101, $101 is there. And the first step what we are going to do, we are going to check the first symbol here and first symbol after dollar. If they are same, I am going to repeat it. Then the next symbol after X and here the next symbol after X, I am going to match. If they are same, again I am continuing. The next symbol after X, here the next symbol after X, I am going to check. Now I got only dollar symbol left out. Now I will come to a accept and halt state. Let us take this example 110 $110. My tape head is pointing to 1 and I am at state Q0. On getting a 1, I'll write blank onto the tape and I'll move right. Then I'll go to state Q1. Now I am at state Q1 and I am getting an input symbol 1. Now as many 1 or 0 I'll get, I'll be in the same state and I'll keep moving my read write head towards its right. Here I am getting 1. So I am in state Q1. I'll be remaining in state Q1. I'll write 1 onto the tape and I'll start moving right. Now that I got a input symbol 0. If I get a 0, I'll write 0 onto the tape and I'll start moving right. Now I'm getting dollar. When I'm getting dollar, I'll write dollar onto the tape and I'll move right. At this stage, I'm getting a state where the after dollar $W symbols are starting. Now the first symbol was 1. Here also I got 1. So I'll write X onto the tape and I'll start moving left. And I'll come to state Q3. Now I'll start moving left till the first blank appears. The symbol that I got now is dollar. If I get dollar, I write dollar onto the tape and move left. The next symbol that I am getting is a 0. I'll write 0 onto the tape and then also I'll move left. The next symbol that I am getting is 1. I'll write 1 onto the tape and then I'll move left. Now the input symbol that I am getting is a blank. I am at state Q3. If I am getting a blank, I'll go to state Q0 and I'll write blank onto the tape and move right. Now the next symbol of the first string I am getting. I am at state Q0. I am getting input symbol 1 and I'll write blank onto the tape and again the same path I am going to follow. The next symbol that I am getting is 0. I'll write 0 onto the tape and I'll move right. The next symbol that I am getting is dollar. Dollar I'll write onto the tape and then I'll move right. Now you see we got X. For x we have not defined and we are at state Q2. So at Q2 we'll take a loop. After dollar, as many x may appear will be there in state Q2 and we'll be writing x onto the tape and we'll start moving right. Now I got a symbol that is 1. So if I get a 1, I'll write x onto the tape and move left. Now I am at state Q3. I got input symbol x. If I am getting input symbol x, I'll write x onto the tape. Again start moving left. Again the input symbol is dollar. I'll write dollar onto the tape. Moving left. Now the input symbol is 0. I'll write 0 onto the tape and then moving left. Now the input symbol is blank. If blank appears, I'll write blank and move right. This will give me the next string element of the first string. Now I am getting a 0. Now I have defined this path for if I am getting 1, what happens? Now if I am getting 0, the same path I'll get with 0 here. You see here, if I am getting a 0, I'll write blank and move right. The next symbol that I am getting is a dollar. In some cases, I may get some zeros or ones also. So I'll be having the same loop here as it is there with Q1. So if I'm getting a dollar here, I'll write dollar onto the tape and still I'll start moving right. It may happen that I can get as many x also. So if I'm getting any number of x, still I'll start moving right without doing anything. Just I'll write x onto the tape. So the second symbol also I got is x. So I'm moving right. The next symbol that I'm getting is 0. The first symbol in this path was 0. The next symbol is also I'm getting 0. So I'll be writing x onto the tape. Again I'll start moving left. Now I'm at state Q3. The symbol that I got is x. I'll write x. Now I'm going to say how I'm going to terminate it. Now again the next symbol is x. I'll write x onto the tape and again I'll start moving left. I got a dollar and when I got dollar, I'll write dollar onto the tape. I'll start moving left and then I'll get a symbol blank. So when I'm getting blank, I supposed to write blank and I supposed to move right. The next symbol is not an input symbol between 0 and 1. Now it is a dollar symbol. Then what I need to do at this particular stage, I'll write in place of dollar, I'll write blank and again I'll move right. So what I am going to do here, I'll write everything in place of x also I'll write blank and at last I'll come to a accepting state. Here also I can write an accepting state, but I am doing in this way. The next symbol is x. I am writing blank in place of x, moving right. The next symbol is also a x. I am writing blank in place of x, then moving right. The next symbol is also x. I am writing x onto the tape and moving right. Now I am getting a blank. When I am getting a blank, I am coming to a accept state by writing blank onto the tape and again moving right. In place of this Q6, I can write accept state also. That is also justified. No problem in that. But I wanted to come to the end of the string. That's why I have written one more state, that is Q6. I hope you understood this problem. Let us try to modify it a little bit. Now we are going to design a Turing machine over 0 and 1 that will accept W $WR. It means reverse of W. Now you can see here 1 0 belongs to W, then we have written dollar, then 1 zero's reverse is 0 1. The next string is 0 1. Similarly, if I am having 0 1 on the left hand side, I must have 1 0 on the right hand side. So how we are going to do it? Let us say the string is 100 $001. It means I am going to check the first and last symbol, then I am going to check the next two symbols, then I am going to check the next two symbols. In this way I am going to check it. Now you can observe that this is nothing but a odd palindrome. And already in our previous video we have seen how to do a odd palindrome. In place of this 0 or 1, we need to accept with the $symbol. So in odd palindrome, a small modification is required. In place of here 0 or 1, we need to have $. So after all the ones and all the 0 match, if the middle symbol is $, we are writing $, onto the tape and we are coming to a accept state. I hope you understood this. If you understood, give me a like and share among your friends. And if you are having any kind of doubt, please do write in the comment section. In our next video, we are going to talk about few more examples on Turing machine. See you then. Take care. Bye.